Complete with quite a few new features, like the ECG reader and fall detection, not to mention a bigger screen and thinner, refined design. The Apple Watch Series 4 seems like a great fit for any athletically inclined techie out there. For those really into the sports look, there is the Nike Plus line, which took a bit longer to arrive, but is now officially on sale. You can get a Nike Plus Series 4 in both 40mm and 44mm sizes, and both the cellular and Wi-Fi Plus GPS-only models are available, as well. US prices are set between $399 and $499, so you aren't really paying more for the Nike branding or the alternative aesthetic. Speaking of which, that price also includes a sporty watch band. You can choose from two molded band options, all black and white with a black accent. There are also woven bands in black and silver, with a reflective thread. There is a new black and neon yellow molded band as well, but you have to purchase that one separately at $49. Other than that, fans of the Nike Plus variety can also enjoy special watch faces and a Nike Run Club and Training Club apps pre-installed. Pre-orders have already started shipping out, and there are some units spread across retail stores around the world, including the US, Australia, Canada and most of Asia and Europe, including the UK. Initial quantities are limited, though, so fans need to act fast.